Welcome viewers. Should you buy a folding Oro kayak? You want a high-quality boat that you can transport in the trunk of your car. There are links in the description if you want to buy or learn more. For most people that enjoy kayaking, the main drawbacks to owning one are storage and transportation. If you live in a small space, it's likely not feasible to store a traditional 12-foot kayak in your home. Likewise, if you don't own a vehicle, transportation is next to impossible. Sure, you can rent a kayak, but over time that can make a significant dent in your wallet, and you have to operate around a rental company's schedule. And often, you'll find that the best paddling destinations are a little off the beaten path. Folding kayaks, inflatable kayaks, and pack rafts are gaining a lot of talk lately because they're easy to store and transport. You can also travel with them and hike to places that you wouldn't otherwise be able to paddle on. For those just looking for a leisurely lake float, a pack raft will do, such as an alpaca raft. But, if you want something with more utility that will provide enjoyment on different types of water, we think a folding Oro kayak is the way to go. They cost essentially the same as a rotomolded kayak or inflatable kayak that serve the same purpose. Oro kayaks fold down to about a 25 pounds backpack that can be tucked away in the back of a closet or under the bed until they're ready to be used. They fit in the trunk of a car, so a roof rack isn't required, and can be brought on a plane, train, or bus. Oro kayaks also come with 30-day guarantee and a 1-year warranty. What is a folding Oro kayak? The origami-style folding Oro kayaks are made from a single sheet of hard, corrugated plastic, polypropylene, to be exact. They come folded up in a backpack and are pretty easily assembled into 12 to 16 feet long, seafaring vessels. Oro is a Kickstarter success story, launching in 2013 and reaching its goal almost immediately. The 25 to 40 pound, made in California origami kayaks pack down to medium suitcase size that can be carried on your back. Their exact pack down dimensions are 33 in x 12 in x 29 in. Since the original launch, they've added and redesigned models to their lineup, which currently sits at 6 different options: the Bay ST, the Beach LT, the Coast XT, the Inlet, the Lake, and a tandem model, the Haven TT. Traveling with an Oro is pretty straightforward. If you're flying, these boats can be checked on a plane, and in most cases, will count as carry-on baggage, with no extra fee. But, to travel with your kayak, you'll need to purchase the Oro Pack or the Inlet Pack, which is a heavy-duty nylon backpack that fits the kayak and other accessories. Even if you're not planning on flying, the Oro Pack makes any kind of traveling or hiking with the kayak more effortless and convenient. They truly are a portable kayak. Note that the pack is not compatible with the tandem model, the Oro Haven TT. Oro Float Bags. The Oro float bags are a set of bags that allow the kayak to stay afloat and remain maneuverable if you capsize or take on water. Worth the peace of mind if you're concerned about having a mishap out on the water. Oro Fishing Kit. Now you can easily fish in your Oro kayak. The Oro Fishing Kit includes 3 RIB port mounts, 2 rod holder 2 adjustable extenders, 1 fixed extender, and a drink hold. Pros to owning an Oro kayak: it's a real boat. Oro kayaks can handle most journeys, depending on the model, ranging from a light lake paddle to faster flowing rivers. They're designed to take Class 1, easy, with very little whitewater and easy maneuvering, and Class 2, moderate, with some straightforward rapids that require maneuvering, rivers. This rating means that they're good for beginner paddlers and experienced paddlers alike. Some people report that they could manage Class 3 rapids in their Oro without issue, but they aren't recommended to be used in those conditions. They can be stored easily. An Oro can easily be tucked away in a closet, under a bed, or wherever you have a few extra feet of space. A folding kayak is a good alternative for city or apartment dwellers who like to get outside. They're pretty easy to assemble. We've read that they can be folded together in anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes. The first couple of times assembly may be tricky, but the more you practice, the quicker assembly becomes. Disassembly seems quicker, with most people eventually getting their time down to 5 or 10 minutes. There is a learning curve, though. Reginald, of Gear Junkie, said that during his first assembly, when almost finished, he was forced to disassemble the entire kayak and start over at step number 1 because of a missed move early on. Check out the description to find the product links. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Thank you for watching this video.